How to create a channel on Telegram. Hi everyone, in today's video, we're going to look at a step-by-step guide on how you can create a channel on Telegram. Let's just get started. First off, open up Telegram application. Make sure that you're logged into your account. Then what you can do next is find the pencil icon right at the bottom right corner above the camera. That button is to send a new message, and you can also create a new group from here, add a new contact, and then you have a new channel. Tap on it. So here you can see a brief introduction to channels, what a channel is. So it's basically a one-to-many tool for broadcasting your messages to unlimited audiences. Tap on create channel. Now you are going to have to give this a name. And once you've done that, you can also add a description. And at the top right corner, you can find the check icon to confirm it. Once you have done that, you can easily select your channel type, whether you want it to be public, so that anyone can search and join your channel. And if you set this to private, only the ones invited via the link will be able to join your channel. So I'll just set it to public for now. Tap on done at the top right. Now you can choose a link. So I'll just go ahead and select this. Now once it says that the link is available, you should be good to go. Tap on done. And you have successfully added your channel, created it. Now you can add members that are already in your contacts. Tap on next and tap on send invite link, and you have successfully created a channel. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button below and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.